I'm sitting in the dark, listening to every little creak and groan. And I was sure I was going to die. I was sure. We were due for a 100-year storm. Hopefully, this is it.
You here?
Wow.
You here?
I'm going to try and flag down a police car. Come on, stop, please. There's somebody in dire straits in that tall building right there yelling for help. Boy, it's been this kind of shit all day.
Someone's stuck in the elevator, they got him out.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, thank you.
Good, thank you very much.
Thank
guys.
you. We thought we saved someone.
Yeah, good job, man. Pretty good. Thanks.
All right.
Oh, she's stuck in the fucking elevator.
This is America coming together. First I've seen in a long time in my life. Ambulances. There's a bunch of people dead, I swear. I know it, I can feel it. Almost. One of my favorite sayings is, I seen you come here, and I'm gonna see you go. You're either going to your grave because you love the place so much, or you're going back home because you can't make it here.
You are listening to US 1 Radio.
What happens when you don't have food, water, electricity, sewer? Even if you survive the storm, it's not a good situation, you know, especially if you're elderly or have health issues, to be, you know, in a place after it's been hit by a hurricane.
We've been on our own for about a week now. It's pretty rough. My wife, Sarah, she is a severe Alzheimer's patient. Due to her physical condition and my inability to walk, going to a shelter was a really bad idea for us. We made a pledge to each other 50 years ago not to be separated. During the hurricane, I'm sitting out front. I heard this tremendous crash. I stood up and I fell. I was on that floor for 26 hours, unable to get up. You think about all the things in life that you should have done or did wrong. I made my peace with God several times. I was afraid it was the end, but my wife came to the bathroom door. I said, Sarah, you've got to go out on the street and find some help. She came back with a messenger from God by the name of Tony. So they were able to stand me up and get me back in my wheelchair. And I've been peachy keen ever since then. I've had a lot of things in my life that were exactly the way you'd like them to be. But I've got through all of it, and I'll get through this.
Saturday was my birthday. I passed the hurricane through my birthday and everything. So it was a good experience. A lot of people left. Only 4 or 5 of us stayed. I stayed in this house here, in this concrete house to the right. Oh man, the concrete house would shake where we were at. The thing blew for 15 hours. The firemen last night, he said they seen concrete houses that fell. We need some kind of adventure. I don't mean it in a bad way, but we were very blessed. The 5 people that stayed in here the next day on Monday, our friend Crawdaddy went and hanged up the flag. And he put everybody's name and put a thing, and we're still strong. Everything could be fixed. Hopefully everybody will get back together and we'll have a great place again. I wouldn't change this for life or nothing. I love the Keys. I will be here till I die.
Just trying out my books. These are family books. These things are from like the 1920s. The water came so high that all of my son's stuff from when he was a kid, cameras, it's still got water in it. I've experienced hurricanes Grew up here. It's never been this bad. I can't imagine growing up anywhere else. You learn love of nature, love of community. We're a small knit group here. We've always been kind of close, but this is pretty stable. The political atmosphere has even torn these tiny little towns apart. I don't know, maybe it'll bring the community back together. Come on in, guys. Y'all can come in.
You know, we got pizzas, leftover pizzas. We're gonna have some broccoli today and tonight. Whatever's left over, we're gonna serve it. It's me and my wife. We feed anywhere from 200 to 500 people a day.
Jimmy, do you have the long little silver lighter thing?
The hurricane season. Usually we make out fairly well, but not this time.
Of course, you are listening to US 1 Radio.
The national media coming down, they show devastation. The tendency to assume that hundreds of people died. Yeah, the roofs caved in on top of them. You're finding dead bodies inside houses. And from what FEMA Search and Rescue is telling us, that's just not the case.
We're hurting hard.
I was on my boat during Hurricane Irma. It was the worst night of my life. All hell broke loose, and my boat did too. It slammed up against the seawall for hours. I'll give it a second thought next time.
Let me tell you something about the people of Key West. Somebody here, a local, even if they're not, will come to you and say, I got you. That is the spirit of the Keys. These people are amazing. Look at that woman right there. She's busting her ass, sweating her ass off to serve other people in need. That is Florida. That is the key. They say we're devastated. We are not. We come together. I want some of that love.
I've been here 50 years. I'm not scared of nothing.
I believe we have on the phone Sheriff Rick Ramsey. Sheriff, you there? What's the latest here?
Well, I tell you, every single day I'm amazed to see the progress the county and cities are making. We're seeing a lot of signs of light at the end of the tunnel.
Well, everything was blowing around, and the trailer was shaking like a mixer or something like that, but it survived, and I didn't figure it would, but the rest of them were sort of like that. I'm not ready to die yet, but if he wanted to get me, it'd been a good time. It's gonna rain on you now. No, you get what you get, I don't know. Never lie, because you always get caught. Don't steal, because you always get caught. The same thing that you learn in church or something, but just be as good as you can, I guess. And don't take it too serious. You're gonna be all right.
sit out here in the middle of the night. Nobody's awake. Nobody hears anything. And you're the only soul alive. For a minute, 1 minute, you're by yourself. The earth is quiet, the sky is quiet, the waters are quiet. That is sexy.
Richie, my phone just came to life. I have service. It just came to life just now. I love you. I love you so much.
Oh, anytime. Mike will be serving all night.
Oh my God. I get to talk to my mom. It's so nice just to be able to reach out and be heard.
Awesome was that. I miss my mom too.
Look, we're separated by 20 years and we still miss our mamas.
I know.
To be able to talk to your family.
I'm perfectly fine. There's no problems here. I'm perfectly fine. There's no problems here.